Hi everyone, this is Jane here, just to show you a little thing or two that I've been working on. Sorry I've not been around to do many, well I haven't done any videos throughout a month. That's unfortunately because we had a bereavement in the family, and to be honest with you, although I have been crafting, I've not really felt like I wanted to sort of video anything too much. I have been working on some journals that I'm kind of finished now, so I thought I would show you. I will get back to putting up my videos of making the journals and some kind of fun ideas and stuff that I've been working on. I've just not really had the time or the energy to be able to do that with all of the other stuff that's been going on. But this is one that I wanted to show you that I've just finished working on. So it's made from a cereal box and it has 3 signatures, and covered it in some scrapbook paper, sari silk, a bit of lace at the spine. So it's lovely. I really like this one, and I've been kind of trying to decide whether I'm going to keep it myself or whether I'm going to put it in my shop, and I'm still not really sure. But I thought I'd show it anyway because I just really like it. So this is the inside. This is an old t-shirt that I had, which had a kind of like an embossed pattern on it. So look, it's really lovely. It's got this nice texture, and it's got a nice kind of pattern there. So we've got the inside, we've got a little bookmark there. Did a little bit of sewing around the edges before I broke my sewing machine, so hopefully I'll get that fixed, but I'll get around to that when I'm ready to. So there's a little bookmark in there. This is like a handmade paper. I didn't hand make it, but it's really lovely. As usual, all the papers in here, apart from these ones, I kind of hand dyed them and stenciled them. And some of it is avocado dyed, some of it is tea and coffee, some of it is just inks. So as usual, I've left plenty of space for people to, either me or somebody else, to actually write in. I really love this little tag. Really cute. I really like that. I'm just having a debate at the moment about whether the tag looks better in there or whether the tag should go in there with the bookmark in there. I kind of think there's more contrast that way round. I might just need to ink around the bookmark to make it stand out a bit more, so I might actually do that. So I'll leave that there for now. This is all avocado dyed. I love doing these little pullouts. They're so cute. And this is some dyeing that I did onto a bit of greaseproof paper, so you get that kind of woody effect. It's really lovely. Tracing paper, I love the feel of that. This is all bound together with 5-hole pamphlet stitch, so that's really cute. A couple of little pockets. I've put some stickers into here and some journal cards. I loved doing this. This was fun. I've got another journal card in there. I really enjoyed doing these collages. This is not really a single theme through here. A lot of it is kind of naturey type thing. There's a lot of roses, there's a lot of flowers. There's a lot of butterflies. There's a lot of trees. I made this, I made this myself. This is from an old calendar, and I covered it all in a, like one of the plies from a napkin. So it's just plain, but it's kind of given it like a sort of, it's a really nice texture, and it's kind of muted the whole thing down. It's really, I really like that, how that's turned out. So yeah, like that a lot. So it was a lot of fun to do actually as well. Very therapeutic. So as I say, there's plenty of room in here for you to write, or for me to write. Lots and lots of little goodies to find. There's a little envelope pouch. So the envelope is stuck down this side. It's got some things in there. And then this opens up and there's another little pouch in there. And that is that one. Really, really good fun. Really enjoyed doing it. Really, really beautiful. Still not quite sure whether I'm putting it in my shop or not. Haven't decided. I might keep it myself. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed having a little look through that. And I will hopefully see you again. I've got another new one that I need to show, but that'll be in a separate video. And then I hope to be able to actually do some craft with you, and we can make some things together. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.